Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Honor Mate 20 Pro and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Start of opening calendar application. In it, tap on the day when we want at our event, maybe 24th of October, and there this plus icon. First step, you can add title of your event. There we can add location to that. In this part we can set when event start, in which time and finish, or we can set it will be all day event. Repeat of that if we need it. There we can add reminder to this event and we can add more than one. We can set it will be important event or no. We can add this event to group about what is it, about our work, family or something like that, description to that. And after you set all you need, press this icon to save it and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.